Now here's a brilliant idea that you can use at any of your open houses. Now, it came from a realtor out in Bend, Oregon, Jim Mazziani with Exit Bend Realty. Here's what he did. He did an open house, a 56 non-stop open house, and streamed it over the internet with a live TV show. And before I break down all the details, I want to tell you the results that he got so you can see, hey, does this make sense for me? He attracted over 200 prospects, or buyers I would imagine, out to the open house with signage. He had over 2,000 people view it during the live TV show on the web, and he had the local news show, ABC News, come out and feature his open house as the lead story in the noon, afternoon, and night TV show on the actual news show. So results like that are pretty incredible. Oh, I forgot to mention, he had three written offers during the open house. Not bad. That's really incredible for an open house. When was the last time you got offers right there at the open house and had that amount of people out to the open house? Pretty incredible. Now, there's no reason you can't do this in your market, and rather easily for really cheap, if not free. Here's how. Here's what Jim did. What he did is he had sponsors, local banks, experts, whoever, local sponsors come out and sponsor the show. They had a wine and cheese event at the open house. They had a jazz pianist, and they also did mini seminars during the event via the web TV show with local experts and other realtors in his office. Pretty easy. So I imagine he got either most or all of the actual open house and the cost covered by his sponsors. He had also, I think, a golf course, a local media station or something like that. But just think of it. That's a really easy way to get someone else to pay for it. The other thing that he did was, what else did he do? I think that's most of the important stuff. But the thing is, that's really is the big lesson to learn here is that Jim turned this into an event. It was not just another open house. This was an event. It was exciting. It was something different. It was something that separates him from his competitors. Also think of it this way. Not only did Jim get possibly one transaction out of this, he said, I watched the video actually, he said he sold the home. I don't know if he sold it at the open house, but he sold it. So potentially 3 transactions immediately just from the buyers who showed up and made an offer. That's not even counting all the coverage he got, all the other 200 people who came out, the 2,000 people who viewed him on the web, and all the other sellers who saw what happened on the news, on the ABC News local station. So that's really incredible results, and something that you can take a simple open house, what's exciting about an open house, and make it something that's exciting enough for the news channel to come out and talk about. Wow, that's actually really incredible. Now, if you liked Jim's idea, then you'll love my whatsworkingforagents.com. That's where I interview 2 to 3 agents per month about what's working right now in their real estate business. I just kind of go through, hey, this is what I'm doing step by step, breaking it down. And it's my way of saying thank you to Jim for contributing to this episode. Jim gets a free lifetime membership to whatsworkingforagents.com. Now, if you have an idea, a business idea or strategy or tool that works really well for you in your real estate business, then I'd love to hear about it. Go ahead and click on the page that's called What's Working Now and fill out the form, and you may be featured on one of the future shows.